So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. What could be the formula for the general form of the equation of a circle? It is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers. How to square a binomial expression in the given the quantity x plus 5 squared? So if we distribute x times x, so it means that becomes x squared. And then afterwards, that is 2a and then b. So it means 2 times x times 5. So 2 times x is 2x times 5, that is equal to positive 10x. And then 5 square or 5 times 5, the answer is equal to 25. So if we expand the square of this binomial, that becomes x squared plus 10x plus 25. What if we use the other solution using the FOIL method? FOIL method is first, outer, inner, and last. So the quantity x plus 5 squared is also expressed as x plus 5 times x plus 5. Using the FOIL method, we need to multiply x times x. X times x is x squared. And then afterwards, outer. So x times 5. So that is equal to positive 5x. And then inner, 5 times x is equal to 5x. And then the last, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So we need to combine 5x and 5x. So 5x and 5x, so that is equal to 10x. So it means copy x squared, and then 5 plus 5 is equal to 10x, and then copy positive 25. As you can see, using the FOIL method and using the square of binomial. How about the second example, the quantity x minus 7 squared? So first, let us square x. So x times x is x squared. And then afterwards, 2 times x times negative 7. So 2 times x is 2x. Times negative 7, the answer is equal to negative 14x. And then negative 7 times negative 7, that is equal to positive 49. So if we expand this square of binomial, the answer is x squared minus 14x plus 49. What if we use the FOIL method? So we need to multiply first, outer, inner, and last. So the quantity x minus 7 squared is also equal to x minus 7 times x minus 7. So let us distribute. X times x is equal to x squared. That is the first. The outer, x times negative 7 is equal to negative 7x. And then inner, negative 7 times x is equal to negative 7x. And then negative 7 times negative 7, the answer is equal to positive 49. So let us combine negative 7 and negative 7. And then the rest copy. Copy x squared. Negative 7 and negative 7, the answer is equal to negative 14x. And then copy 49. So as you can see, we may use the square of binomial or the FOIL method to identify the quantity x minus 7 squared. The answer are the same, that is x squared minus 14x plus 49. So let us proceed to get the general form of the equation of a circle. In example number 1, the center of a circle is at the origin and its radius is 6 units. What is the general equation of the circle? So let us identify what could be the center. So the center is at the origin, so it means the center is 0, 0. 0 is h, and then another 0 is k. How about the radius? The radius is equal to 6 units. So to identify the general equation of the circle, let us proceed first to the standard equation of the circle. So this is case 1 because the center is at the origin. So it means x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we only replace r because h and k is equal to 0. So copy x squared plus y squared equals the radius. that is equal to 6 squared. 6 times 6, the answer is equal to 36. If this is the standard equation of the circle, what is the general equation of the circle? So we continue solving. So this become x squared plus y squared is equal to 36. We need to rewrite all the value to the left side. So positive 36 going to left, change the sign. So that becomes negative 36 is equal to 0. And then copy x squared, copy y squared. So the general equation of this example number 1 is x squared plus y squared minus 36 is equal to 0. In example number 2, let us write the quantity x plus 2 squared plus the quantity y minus 1 squared is equal to 81 in its general form. So it means we need to distribute the quantity x plus 2 squared. So this is a square of binomial. So it means x times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x times 2. The answer is equal to 4x. Plus 2 times 2, the answer is equal to positive 4. How about the quantity y minus 1 squared? So y minus y is equal to y squared. 2 times y is 2y times negative 1 is negative 2y. Negative 1 times negative 1, the answer is equal to positive 1 equals 81. So let us arrange. It should be x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. So first we need to identify which is x squared. So copy x squared and then copy y squared. Another is ax, so it means positive 4x. And then by, so this is negative 2y. And then copy all the constant. Positive 4, positive 1, and then positive 81 going to left, that becomes negative 81 equals 0. As you can see, we arrange the following into general form of the equation of the circle. So let us combine. So as you can see, copy x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2y because wala namang maiko-combine doon. And then we need to combine 4, 1, and negative 81. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 81, that is equal to negative 76 equals 0. So the general form of the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2y minus 76 equals 0. How about in example number 3? Write the general form of the equation of the circle with center 1, 4 and the radius of 3. If the center is 1, 4, it means 1 is h and then the k is equal to 4. And then the radius is equal to positive 3. As you can see, the center is not on the origin. It means it is case 2. If it is case 2, the formula is the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Let us replace. H is 1, replace it with 1, and then k is equal to 4. And then copy the radius, that is equal to 3. So it means the standard equation of this circle is the quantity x minus 1 squared plus the quantity y minus 4 squared is equal to 9. But then, we need to identify the general form of the equation of the circle. So we continue solving. So we need to expand the quantity x minus 1 squared. So if we expand, so that becomes x times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. And then let us x square of this binomial. So y times y is y squared. 2 times y is 2y times negative 4 is negative 8y. Negative 4 times negative 4, the answer is equal to positive 16. And then positive 9, going to left, change the sign. So that becomes negative 9 is equal to 0. So let us arrange into the general form of the equation of the circle. So this become copy x squared, copy y squared, copy negative 2x, copy negative 8y, and then bring down all the constants. So positive 1, positive 16, and then negative 9. So let us combine the number 1 plus 16 minus 9. So as you can see, 1 plus 16 is 17 minus 9. The answer is equal to positive 8 equals 0. So the general form of the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. In example number 4, a circle in the standard coordinate plane is tangent to the x-axis at 3, 0 and tangent to the y-axis at 0, 3. What is the general equation of the circle? As you can see in the graph, this is 3, 0, that is tangent to the x-axis, and then tangent to the y-axis at 0, 3. If we draw, this is tangent to the x-axis and tangent to the y-axis. So this is the drawing of the graph. And what could be the center of this graph? So the center of this graph, as you can see in the graph, if we connect to the center, so the center 3, 3, because the x value is 3 and then the y value is 3. So the center is 3, 3. So h is equal to 3 and then k is equal to 3. How about the radius? As you can see, the radius from the point up to this one, the radius is equal to 3. So let us identify now the standard equation of the circle. So this is case 1 because the center 3, 3 is not on the origin. So the formula now is the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Let us replace h and k to the given formula. So that becomes x minus 3 plus the quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to r squared. Copy the left side and then 3 times 3. The answer is equal to 9. But then we need to identify the general equation of the circle. So let us proceed solving. So we need to distribute the quantity x minus 3 squared. So x times x is x squared. 2 times x is 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is equal to positive 9. How about this one? Y times y is equal to y squared. 2 times y is 2y times negative 3, the answer is equal to negative 6y. Negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is equal to positive 9. Positive 9 going to left, addition property of equality, that becomes negative 9 equals 0. So let us arrange into the general form of the equation of the circle. So copy x squared, copy y squared, copy negative 6x, copy negative 6y, and then bring down 9, positive 9, and then negative 9. So let us combine the number 9 plus 9 minus 9. So as you can see, walang kaparehas to. So copy. And then 9 plus 9 is 18 minus 9. The answer is equal to positive 9 equals 0. So the general form of the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 6y plus 9 equals 0. Instruction: determine the general form of the equation of a circle. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.